Namaste, welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson Robin Hood Tricks the Sheriff. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Write the false statements correctly in your notebook. The sheriff was a kind man. False. Robin Hood sold the meat at a cheaper price than the other butchers. True. The butchers invited Robin Hood to have dinner with the king. False. The sheriff planned to help Robin Hood in his business. False. The sheriff carried pebbles in his bag. False. Answer these questions. Where did the poor man go after being troubled by the sheriff, and why? So the poor man go to see the Robin Hood because to ask help from him. Whom did Robin Hood meet in the forest and what did they trade? He met the butcher and he trade the meats. Talk about a meat. Okay. What did Robin Hood do with all the meat? He wanted to sell all the meat with the cheaper price. Why did the sheriff want to buy the goats and sheep? So he want to purchase a goat and sheep from Robin Hood and he want to sell it again to the butchers with a high price. Because of that, he wanted to purchase goat and sheep. Where did the sheriff go with Robin Hood? What happened to him there? So sheriff went to the forest to purchase goat, sheep and land, but after reaching the forest he realized that it is a trick of the Robin Hood. Next, write the synonyms of the underlined words. Synonyms means meaning. Okay. The price of this toy is too high. Price, what's the meaning of price? Cost. I fell ill after eating the stale food. So ill, what's the meaning of ill? Sick. Mandira made a small mistake in her paper. Mistake, error. I was so happy to see my grandparents after a long time. Happy, glad. The burglar broke into the house. Burglar broke into the house, but he found nothing valuable. Thief. Radha received a beautiful birthday gift from her best friend Tina. Present. Understood? Next. Circle the word which does not form a compound noun with the words in bold. Super. Supermarket, super power, Superman, super day. So they does not made a compound noun. Okay. Backpack, backstage, backbone, backcharge. Charge. Bookshelf, bookway, bookmark, bookkeeper. Bookway. Life water, lifeboat, lifeline, lifeguard. life water. Forefinger, forefather, forehead, forelift, forefather. Someday, some paper, someone, somebody. Someday. Understood? Next. Join the sentences using who or which. This is the old car. Her father sold it off. This is the old car whose father sold it off. This is the river. It has many colorful fish. This is the river which. This is the vet. He gave the dog some biscuits. Vet, who? These are the boxes. They contain Aman's toys, which contain. This is the footballer. She passed the ball to Srilata. Who? This is the little John. He is Robin Hood's most loyal friend. Who? Next. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. One hot day, an ant went to a pond to drink water, but she slipped and fell into the pond. A sparrow saw the ant. A sparrow saw the ant crying for help. I must help her, she thought. If I pick up a leaf and drop it in the water, the ant can climb. The ant can climb on it. The leaf will be like a boat for the ant. So the sparrow dropped the leaf into the water and the ant climbed on it. The sparrow saved the ant's life. Understood? For this we finished our exercise part of the Robin Hood Trickster Sheriff. Tomorrow we will see the grammar book. Okay? Thank you.